Hello, everyone. Day 5, end of the day, reporting back into you. Took my pill this morning at around, I believe, 9:30. Go back and check exactly when. So now it's about 10:10 p.m. I still don't feel any tiredness or that, I don't call it a crash at all. I think it just allows, this is so far in 4 days, today being the fifth, hopefully. At the end of the day, I just feel ready to go to bed. And that's a very peaceful feeling for me. As before, I would get, hit my head hits the pillow and then the mind goes racing. So don't feel like I've had that at all, honestly, in the first 4 nights. So we'll see how day 5 goes or night 5 goes. Today I didn't have any headaches. I didn't have any kind of questionable feelings like where did I get that from or anything like that. So feeling pretty good. Definitely better than yesterday. I think I mentioned before I do intermittent fasting. I've been doing that for years, at least the last couple of years. Being a little bit more strict in the last 3 or 4 weeks. So maybe that had an effect yesterday, but I've been on this, this solid, real not strict, but kind of real focused intermittent fasting, for a couple weeks before I even started the Adderall. So we'll see. I really do think it was that I didn't take the melatonin the night before, and I didn't think I got enough deep sleep. And I think that'd be an interesting experiment as I go forward. If I ever want to kind of get off the melatonin again, and see if that lack of sleep, like my doctor was thinking, is really something to be cognizant of, on top of the ADHD potentially. So anyway, just wanted to check in with you. It's day 5. This is part 2 or 3 for today. We'll keep this short and sweet, running on 2 minutes. We'll see you guys in the morning. Thanks.